Hello everyone. Today we are going to act out a situation about asking for direction to tourist places. The story is about four friends who travel together and ask people for help. Now please enjoy our performance.
Excuse me, do you know where the old temple is?
Yes, it is near the river in the old town.
It is far from here.
Not really, it's about 10 minutes by bus.
That sounds easy, let's go.
Are we on the right bus?
I think so, the thing say old town.
I hope we don't miss the stop.
Don't worry, we can ask the driver.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the old temple?
Yes, it does.
Which stop should we get off at?
The stop.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. This must be the river.
I still don't see the temple.
Let's check the map on my phone.
Oh, look, there is a bit over there.
Maybe the temple is across the bit.
Excuse me, how can we get to the old temple?
Cross street and turn left at the corner.
Do we need to cross the bridge?
Yes, after the bridge, you will see it.
Thank you for your help.
No problem.
This area is very peaceful.
I like the old building here.
It's a good place for photos.
Let's walk slowly and enjoy it. Wow, we finally made it.
The temple look very old and beautiful.
I'm glad we didn't get lost.
Let's take some pictures together.
Good idea.
This trip was really fun.
Yes, I had a great time with you guys.
Me too, let's travel together again someday.
Sure, take care and see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.